we got more to dye. All right. You're not supposed to throw it. Okay, let's try this. Here, take hold of the spoon. Go slow. There you go. Way to go. Good job. Okay, want to do it again?
See, now I like dropping them. Oh, that one's good.
Oh, good. All right, do we have anything in the blue one? Let's see. Yep, we got a blue egg in there. We got a green egg there. Look at all that. How you do that?
Oh!
Yeah?
Wyatt! Wyatt! Oh! Hold on! Hold on!
He was ready to put that one in there too.
Yeah,
Wyatt!
he's ready.
Smile!
Slam dunk that shit.
Oh, that purple's not very good. Okay, you got 2 left, my love. What color you want?
Oh.
Oh, I think there's 2 in that one. You can't put 3 in there. Yeah. You got one in there already. Here. Use a different color. Yeah? Think you need to make those different colors too?
Yeah, why not?
You want them closer? There you go. Knocked yourself out. What? You think you need to sit down? Okay, I'll stand up with you. Here, stand up. No, stand up. You can't reach him. Let's stand up, you and me. Stand up. Stand up.
I think he's done.
You gonna put one right there? Put one there.
Take him